This is a video of how to clean the barrel of a classic Army Echo 1 or Tokyo Marugi p90. Disassembly to get the barrel apart and the hop up is take the mag out. Then you'll see there's the red dot, just so you can get an idea of how nice the red dot is. But anyway, this is pretty pointless, but it's a red dot. See that button right there? Push the button down and slide that forward. Now you have your lower receiver, which includes the gearbox back here. That's why it's so back heavy. And the upper receiver, which includes the red dot sight and the barrel. This is a small barrel, I believe. 200 some millimeters, maybe. I think it's like an MP5 barrel. It is like a 6.07, I think. So it's nice. One sec. Right there. To remove the barrel, just push it in, twist it, and it pops out. Then you have the barrel, as you can sort of see. That's the barrel. To clean it, just get this, put some toilet paper in it, put it in the barrel. Put it in the barrel and just push. Here, I'll clean it for 1 sec. I'll put the camera down. Put it back in. Just slide the barrel in. There's this little knob right. See the little knob right there? Twist it down so it goes in sideways, and twist it up and pops in place. Here's my old, I think I have it up here. I had an Echo, I had an Echo MP5 barrel, and it was a little bit shorter than this barrel. That's from like here to here. This one goes from like here to here. It's probably like 259, I think. It's a nice barrel though. It's like a mix between a normal and a tight bore. So here's the hop up. Thank you for watching this video, and I will show you a review of it. I don't know, later today. Little added thing. Here's the magazine. My battery's dying. Here's the magazine. You have this little. See, it goes back. And you flip this little switch up. Pop that up. Then you pull the BBs in. Push it down. Bring it up. Then you just wind it before the match. Here's one little pointer with this bag. In magazine, you're winding it. You wind it. Sometimes the BBs don't go up, so you have to pull it back. So sometimes in the middle of the game, it stops shooting. So you just have to take your magazine. It's still in the gun. Let's say the magazine's in the gun. It's obviously not. Let's say the magazine in the gun like that. You just go and tap it, and then it fixes the problem. Once it gets down to about 150 BBs in there, it solves the problem automatically. But since the spring goes all the way back here, it doesn't have enough force to push all the BBs down. That's why it does it. So you'll see a review later this weekend. I'll show you a test fire, and from 50, 100, and maybe 200 feet. I don't know if we can reach that yet. Thanks for watching this. This is the Classic Army P90 Sport.